Hello students, how are you? Now in chapter 4 we have started words problem. So again we are taking 2 or 3 more problems from exercise 4.3. You see this, you read question number 8, very much important. A train travels 360 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less than for the same journey. Find the speed of train. He is saying find the speed of train, and when speed is increased it takes less than time. I think it is very much clear, understood. Common sense you use. When you increase the speed, train will take less time. So first I will start. You can start here. Let speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour. So total distance is equal to 360 kilometer, and therefore time taken by train, that is distance upon speed, 360 upon x. Clear this? It was case first. Now in case second, what is saying? If this speed is 5 km per hour more, then it takes less than time by how much time? By 1 hour. Clear this? 1 hour less than the previous time. So in case second, if speed is increased, it means speed is equal to x plus 5 km per hour, and distance is same because distance is 360 km. So therefore time taken is equal to distance upon speed, that is 360 upon x plus 5. Clear this? So now according to question, what is saying? When speed increase, it will take less time, and this time, suppose if I am say this time it is t1 and this time it is t2. So in which case more time? In first case train will take more time, because when speed increase it will take less time. So more time minus less time. So you can say 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 hour. It means time t1 minus t2 is equal to 1. Clear this? So 360 upon x plus 5, clear this, is equal to 1. It is LCM. X into x plus 5. So x cancel. So 360 into this, 360x plus 1800. X plus 5 cancel, x into 360. 360x is equal to 1. This cancel. So now 1800 upon x square plus 5x is equal to 1 by 1. Cross multiply, then you will get the equation. Which equation? X square plus 5x is equal to 1800. So x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Understand? Now we have to solve the quadratic equation by any method, by factorization method or by D method also. If you see by D method, then you see ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first you find out d square minus 4ac, 5 square minus 4 into minus 1800. So 25 minus plus 70, 200, 7, 2, 2, 5. So now it is greater than 0, so it means roots are possible. Then you can find out formula is minus b plus minus root d by 2a. And what is b here? Minus 5 plus minus 7225 square root upon 2a. So my dear students, you must know how to find out the square root of a number. Clear this? By division method or by factorization method. So it is, you check, it will be, you check, then it will be 85. Can you solve by division method? So it is minus 5 plus minus 85, then 2 case will take 1 4 plus 1 4 minus. If I take positive sign and here minus sign, so x is equal to, what do you say, 85 minus 5, 80 by 2, 40. So it is minus 90 by 2, minus 45. So minus 45 rejected. Why? Because speed cannot be negative. So this is rejected. So this is selected. So therefore speed of train, that is 40 kilometer per hour. Understand? In the same way, you can solve this question 10 also in exercise 4.3. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of express train is 11 km per hour, more than that passenger train, find the average speed of two trains. So my dear students, two trains are there. One is passenger, another is express train. So we have to find out the average speed of two trains. So you start, let speed of passenger train, speed of passenger train is equal to x kilometer per hour. So therefore speed of express train, that is, because it's saying the speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. So x plus 11 km per hour, and total distance both will cover, that is 132 km. And what is the question? He is saying express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. Understood? Use the common sense. When it is express train, then its speed is increased and it will take less time. Understand? So now, what you say? Time taken by passenger train that is time formula, distance upon speed, or you can say that is t1, distance is 132 upon distance 132, and then it is speed is x. Another is time taken by express train, time taken by express train, again distance upon speed, this is t2, 132 upon x plus 11. Clear this? So according to question, because my dear students, you know this express train takes less time, so you write 132x minus 132x plus 11 is equal to 1, because it takes less time and passenger train takes more time. You know very well, more time minus less time is equal to 1. Clear this? You see this? And this is the main equation. It should be correct. So now you take LCM, x into x plus 11, x cancel, 132 into x plus 11 minus 132 x plus 11 cancel. 132 into x is equal to 1 by 1. So again you see 132x and 11 into 132, 11 to 22, 11 33 or 2, 35, 11 11 or 3, 4. So 1452 minus 132x upon x into x square plus 11x is equal to 1. So you see 132 minus 132 plus, it is cancelled. So now what you will do? You will cross multiply, then you will get this. So you see it is 1452 upon x square plus 11x is equal to 1 by 1, cross multiply. So x square plus 11x is equal to 1452. So x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now make the factors. If you sometimes this is very typical to make the factorization in classes also, in school also, you revise and then you cram the factor. But in board exam, if by chance any typical question, then what you will do? So you will solve by D method. Clear this? Here we can explain, we can solve by factorization. We can explain. If by chance you will feel problem in board exam, so my students, you will follow by using quadratic formula. So make the factor of 1452. So it is divisible by simply 11. So 11 1 is 11, 11 3 is 33, 11 2 is 22. Again you see if it is divisible. First you check 11 into 132, 1452. 11 plus this, it is 143, but I want 11. Then it is not applicable. Then again you check, it is divisible by 3 also. 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. Now you again you see 11 3 ja 33 and then 44. 33 into 44, 1452. And then subtract both. 44 minus 33, 11 is coming. So it means factors are 44 and 33 were correct. So 44 and then minus 33. So multiply, then minus 1452. Simplify, 44 minus 33, 11 is coming. So these are the correct factors. 44x minus 33x minus 1452. So x common, x plus 44 minus 33 common, x plus 44 is equal to 0. So x plus 44 into x minus 33. This complete factor outside. So product of two factor is 0. So either x plus 4 equal to 44 is equal to 0 or x minus 33 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 44, x is equal to 33 minus 44. Rejected because speed of train cannot be negative. Clear this? So therefore this is selected. So therefore speed of passenger train, that is 33 km per hour, and speed of express train, because express train speed was 11 km more than the passenger train. So 33 plus 11, 44 km per hour. Clear this? So my dear students, in this way so many questions we can try on this speed and train. Last time also we have done this question also of speed of train. Clear this? So many extra question on this method you can revise. Thank you. Have a good day.